In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Google Sheet. Sharing a Google Sheet is a simple way to let other people view or edit your data without having to send multiple versions back and forth. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the basic sharing process and explain what each option does so you can choose the right level of access for your situation. First, open the Google Sheet that you want to share in your browser. Make sure you're signed into your Google account and that the correct spreadsheet is open. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a button labeled Share. It usually has an icon that looks like a little person with a plus sign or just the word Share. Go ahead and click on that button. When you click Share, a sharing window will pop up. This is where you control who can access your sheet and what they can do with it. In this window, look for the section labeled General Access. By default, your sheet may be restricted so that only people you explicitly add can open it. If you want to adjust this, click on the drop-down menu under General Access. Here, you'll see a few options such as Restricted and Anyone with the link. If you choose Restricted, only specific people you invite by email can access the sheet. If you select Anyone with the link, anyone who has the link can open it, even if you don't add them individually. This is useful for sharing with a large group or when you don't want to manage a list of email addresses. Once you pick the access type, you'll also want to set the permission level. Next to the access option, you'll usually see a second drop-down with choices like Viewer, Commenter, and Editor. Viewer means they can only look at the sheet. Commenter allows them to leave comments without changing the data. Editor gives full permission to edit and modify the sheet. Choose the level that makes the most sense for how you want others to interact with your spreadsheet. After you've adjusted the general access and permission level, look for the Copy Link button at the bottom of that sharing window. Click Copy Link. This copies the shareable link to your clipboard. From there, you can paste it into an email, a chat message, or wherever you need to share it. And that's it. You've now shared your Google Sheet using a link with the access and permission set exactly how you want.